The Core Equipment Padded? The KingCamp Moon or Zenithen Limited? Perhaps the IWI Wish Saucer or the Urban Shop Mongolian? Which one should you buy? In this video, we will be looking at the top 5 saucer chairs available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 saucer chairs. The 5th product on this list is the Zenithen Limited Dish Chair. Looking for a unique piece of furniture that you can take with you wherever you go? Look no further than the Zenithen Limited Hexagon Folding Chair. This saucer chair is not only elegant, but also practical, with a sturdy steel frame that provides dependable and worry-free sitting. Plus, the design and upholstery are out of this world. One of the standout features of this dish chair is the wide whale corduroy padding. Not only is it a nostalgic throwback to simpler times, but it's also easy to clean and will last for years to come. You'll love sinking into this soft and comfortable chair after a long day at work or school. Measuring 28 by 32 by 35 inches, this saucer chair is the perfect size to complement your bedroom or living space without taking up too much room. And if you need to clear some space for unexpected guests, don't fret. This chair can be easily folded and stored away until you need it again. Best of all, the Zenithen Limited Hexagon Folding Chair comes in a variety of chic colors, including gray, light aqua, brown, and navy blue. So you can pick the one that matches your unique style and personality. With a maximum weight capacity of 225 pounds, this saucer chair is perfect for anyone who wants a comfortable and stylish seating option. Its pros are, it has a hexagon steel frame that improves its durability. It only weighs about 10 pounds, so you can carry it around effortlessly. And it uses padded wide whale corduroy fabric that offers maximum comfort. However, it doesn't have extra padding for neck support. The Zenithen Limited Dish Chair is a stylish saucer chair with all the features you need in a great college dorm room set. It's also ideal for late night studying and weekend movie nights. Up next in 4th place is the Urban Shop Mongolian Chair. If you're in need of a saucer chair that will add some style and comfort to your living space, look no further than the Urban Shop Oversized Mongolian Saucer Chair. This chair is designed to wrap you up in cozy comfort while you unwind after a long day of work or school. Crafted from soft faux fur fabric, this saucer chair is soft and inviting to the touch. And with its sturdy metal tubular frame and safety locking mechanism, you can rest easy knowing that you're sitting in a chair that's built to last. The faux fur fabric is also made from durable, high-quality polyester that's easy to clean and maintain. Simply spot clean with soap, sponge, or warm water, and you're good to go. At 36.2 inches in length and width, 31.9 inches in height, 31 inches in seat depth, and 15 inches from the floor to seat, this saucer chair is the perfect size for lounging and relaxing, and with a weight capacity of up to 225 pounds. It's suitable for users of all sizes. Best of all, the Urban Shop Oversized Mongolian Saucer Chair requires no assembly. Simply unfold it and place it wherever you like in your home. And when you're not using it, you can easily fold it flat for storage or transport. Add some style and comfort to your home with the Urban Shop Oversized Mongolian Saucer Chair. Its pros are, its extra locking mechanisms make this seat sturdy. It uses faux fur that's incredibly soft and comfortable. And it comes in multiple color choices, including all-time favorites like silver, blush, lavender, and aqua to match your home decor. However, a few people have reported the seams beginning to tear after a few months. The Urban Shop Mongolian Chair is a wonderful addition to any home, thanks to its contemporary style. It's ideal for curling up with a book or placing it in a playroom for your kids. Still haven't found a saucer chair that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the KingCamp Moon Camping Chair. Imagine yourself admiring the beauty of the jungle while relaxing in the comfort of your plush seat. Sounds amazing, doesn't it? If getting as much fresh air as possible is your goal, you'll need a dependable foldable chair like the KingCamp Moon Camping Chair to have a more memorable experience. This oversized saucer camping chair is 33.5 inches wide, large enough for a taller adult, wiggly, fidgety teenagers to tuck their legs up, a warm pet nest, or even a dorm room chair for students. Its padded and moon saucer design provides all-day comfort and relaxation. Thanks to its heavy-duty steel frame, this chair is built to last. It also has Oxford fabric, which wicks away moisture. This saucer chair weighs 10.2 pounds but can support up to 300 pounds. It also combines a lounge chair's comfort with a folding chair's portability. Because there are no armrests, you can sit up straight or lie back in any direction. But that's not all. This saucer chair also has a built-in side pocket that can double as a bottle holder, which is great for you when you don't want to spill your drink while sitting around the fire. There's even a larger pocket on the back of the chair if you want to store something else there. A carry bag with a backpack strap is also included for easy transport and storage. This padded folding chair folds up in seconds, allowing you to curl up and watch your favorite TV show or read under a tree for some outdoor leisure time. Its pros are: its large back pocket makes it available for storing magazines, accessories, and personal items. It has a foldable steel frame and heavy-duty polyester fabric construction. And it has an anti-skid design that makes the Moon chair more stable and guarantees the safety of the user. However, it sits low to the ground, which can make getting up a little more difficult. If you enjoy spending time outside, the KingCamp Moon Saucer Camping Leisure Chair is a must-have. It is ideal for use in the backyard, fishing, tailgates, sporting events, lawn, outdoor, and indoor activities. The second product on this list is the I Wish Saucer Chair. If you're wondering where the name came from, you should probably look at this saucer chair and go through its features. And you'll surely say, "I wish I had this chair." This oversized saucer chair is made of a single piece, making it simple to expand and fold with no tools required. This chair opens and closes in seconds, making it ideal for outdoor use. This saucer chair's steel frame makes it durable, while its 100% polyester padded seat is super comfortable. It also has an anti-slip design which makes the feet more stable. This large size is ideal for teens and adults, with dimensions of 18 by 31 by 39 inches, making this dorm chair extra comfortable and cozy to sit in. Because the steel frame is of high quality, using and putting it up on a regular basis will not damage the product. What's more, this round folding chair is available in 2 color options that are ideal for living rooms, apartments, bedrooms, playrooms, and other areas. Aside from all of these features, the manufacturer provides a 1-year limited after-sales warranty from the original date of purchase, making it a risk-free purchase. Its pros are: its upholstery is made from 100% polyester with thick padding for vastly improved comfort. Its feet have an anti-slip design to ensure stability when you're relaxing. And its conveniently removable pad is washable, so you don't have to worry if the chair gets stained. However, it weighs around 18 pounds, so it's not quite as portable as others on the list. The I Wish Saucer Chair is incredibly comfortable and an amazing addition to your living room's interior. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the best saucer chair is the Core Equipment Padded. Get ready to experience ultimate relaxation with this amazingly comfortable saucer chair. The sturdy steel frame can support up to 300 pounds, making it perfect for everyone. Its size and dimensions make it ideal for curling up and getting cozy. With 40 by 29 by 37 inches of space, you won't feel cramped in this chair. Surprisingly, it only weighs 12 pounds, making it easy to transport wherever you want to go. Plus, the attached strap makes it even more convenient to carry. The chair is made of the softest 600D brushed polyester material that feels like a dream against your skin. The padding on the back, seat, and headrest adds even more comfort and support. Say goodbye to muscle pain caused by sitting for too long. The built-in cup holder ensures your favorite drink is always within reach, so you don't have to get up from your comfortable position. One of the best things about this chair is how effortless it is to fold and unfold. You don't have to worry about any complicated assembly. Just take it out of the box and use it immediately. This chair is especially beneficial for seniors who need extra comfort and support. Don't settle for a mediocre chair when you can have the ultimate relaxation experience with this amazing comfortable chair. It's perfect for the lawn, deck, camping, sporting events, and outdoor activities. Even better, it comes with a 1-year limited warranty for your peace of mind. So get ready to sit back, relax, and enjoy. Its pros are: it comes with a carry bag with a carry strap for easy transport and storage. It has big dimensions to accommodate most people. It is made using heavy-duty material to ensure durability, and it comes with a 1-year limited warranty for risk-free purchase. However, its fabric can't be removed from the chair for cleaning. The Core Equipment Padded is the ultimate saucer chair designed to provide maximum comfort without compromising durability. It's the perfect companion for relaxing outdoors. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.